I'm alive! I'm alive!
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Christine, you're here too. I love you.
I know.
Dad, what's happening?
Honey, the power works. It's good. It goes on and off whenever we want. We've got clean water. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Ooh. I bet I know what this does. Rain down the glorious water. Ah, shoes. Oh, what do we got here, guys? Food. I love food. What? A beef steak? You gonna have work? This is awesome. Look, listen here. Feed? The what?
Jack, be careful.
Oh, I have a car. Did you guys see this?
Yeah, you have a car.
A car!
And don't forget your coffee.
You're the best.